Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting, and welcome to our channel today. I appreciate you being here. And if you're new to the channel, if you're finding us for that very first time, welcome. It's good to have you. Please subscribe, please hit that like button. And to learn more about me, learn more about my company and how we can help take your business to that next level, please check out those links below. And numerous links that you can take a look at, but whether you're looking to improve sales performance, you're looking to improve traffic flow, how to have a more efficient operation, if you need financing, if you need marketing programs, we've got it all here for you. So check it out, and happy to chat with you when the time's right for you. And so with that said, our topic for you today, it's the 5 key performance indicators for your gym. The 5 key performance indicators for your gym. And there's a lot of things I like to look at, okay? Whether it be closing percentage and show percentage and, cost per sale. There's a host of things that we're always looking at. I'm going to give you the 5 top ones that if you're not doing this, I want to suggest you watch this video, you watch it a few times until you decide, yeah, we're going to do it, but keep track of this. Okay, and so number 1 on our list, revenue growth. Revenue growth. Chart this stuff. I like looking at things on a graph. Chart this. Go back the last 24 months or however long you've owned the business. If you look at a graph, what does that revenue growth look like? Is it going up? Okay, monitor it. Don't just, oh, we made money, we lost money, or this happened, or that happened. Really track that number. Look at that revenue growth. Is it growing? Because one of the things that we constantly look at is, how do we grow our revenue? How do we get more revenue in? Okay, and we'll talk about that a bit here in a few more of these. And so number 2, it's the revenue per member. How much money are we bringing in per customer every month? What's our revenue per customer? And this is one of the big ones that I find a lot of folks don't really zero in on, not like they should, and certainly not like they could, okay? Like on the revenue per member, typically when people sign up in most facilities, many of them anyway, they sign them up and that's it. And then maybe we might get PT down the road, might have retail down the road, but what we want to look at is essentially what amounts to being that sales funnel. Person joins, okay, they've signed up. Now, Mary, great, we're going to help you get in the best shape of your life. How would you like to get your results twice as fast? I'm going to try to sell PT to them right there. Because we have many clubs, we're getting a 20% penetration at point of sale on this, whereas your average clubs are getting about 5% overall. It's because they're not talking to everybody. And so your revenue per member, personal training, retail, supplements, maybe you've got meal planning, maybe you have something else, but revenue per member. The thing you want to know on this is that of all your customers, 20% of them will pay more money if we simply ask. Okay. Number 3, profit margin. Profit margin. Are we charting? Do we see it? What is our profit margin month in, month out? Because you can have revenue growth. Okay, you can have higher revenue per member, but if it's costing us too much to get it, not helping. We have to keep our costs in line, and so these profit margins, that's going to tie in your expenses into this. So make sure you're monitoring your profit margins. What are they? I mean, I know we have clubs that we work with. They look at this stuff. They've broken it down like on every day. What do they have to do every single day? But be looking at this. Know it. You want to know this like you know your name. All right. Number 4, your member retention rate. It's still, to me, it's still surprising how few gyms know that number. What's your retention rate? What's your attrition? Do you know, as a percentage, how many members you lose every month? You'd probably be shocked. Okay, because if you were just losing 4% and you throw 4% out there, that doesn't sound like much. But you know what? That's almost half your member base every single year. That's almost half your member base every single year. And you want to have strategies to mitigate this. How do we fix it? It's fixable. Okay, people want to look better. They want to feel better. It's up to us to create that environment. It's up to us to create that experience. And again, you can search the channel on all these categories for additional information on how to really do a deep dive on this and how to do this. But what is your retention? What is your attrition? Don't tell me, oh yeah, we gained this many, we gained 5 last month, so we're doing good. What is your attrition rate? How many, on a percentage, how many are you losing? Okay, you have to know it because you have to have a plan. So one of the key performance indicators is member retention or attrition, kind of take the reverse. And number 5, customer satisfaction. And too many, oh yeah, our members are happy. Oh yeah, everybody's happy. Do surveys. Go in there and use SurveyMonkey to do it. Okay, it's an easy way to do it. Or you can be a little more informal and just kind of do it yourself. But go in there and do customer surveys. Is your customer happy? Are they willing to refer you people? Are they thinking of sticking around? Are they buying other products? Okay, but do member satisfaction surveys. Know what people are thinking. Okay, it'll allow you to make better decisions. So 5 key performance indicators for your gym. Revenue growth. Track it every month. Look at it on chart. Graph it. Revenue per member. Is our revenue per member going up? And there's a lot of ways we can do this. Again, search the channel, but simple sales contests can help that sometimes. Profit margins. Revenue's growing up. Are our margins going up? Okay, but I've talked to some clubs that we've had as clients. They brought us in, signing up tons of folks, but losing big money. And because the way they'd set it up, there were some cases they were losing money when they signed them up. When we'd eliminate some of those programs, revenues dropped, but profit margins went up. Okay, so know your profit margins. Member attrition, your retention numbers, know what they are. Don't guess. Don't guess. And then customer satisfaction. Are your customers happy? And don't just make it kind of anecdotal. Do the survey. Do the survey. Okay, so take a look at those. That can be a big difference for you, when we start to understand it and hold ourselves accountable, to the improvement in those areas. And then for you folks watching, thank you for being here today. I appreciate it. And if you have topics that you would like to have explored here on the channel, if you have questions that you would like to have answered here on the channel, drop them in the comment section below. We're happy to look at those and consider those, for some future videos, here on the channel. And so with that said, we appreciate you being here. If you've not yet done so, please subscribe, please hit the like button, and to learn more about me and my company and how we can help improve your business, check out the links below. And also please sign up for our absolutely free email newsletter to receive regular updates and regular information on how you can grow and develop your business. And we look forward to seeing you all in that next video.